what's up guys? I'm here with some, freaking things what my dad is doing right now. He's trying to make some new things with his electronic gadgets, and he's trying to make some kind of multimedia system or something. I'm seeing him from past few days, around 2 weeks or something. He's doing this thing and he's sitting all night, I can't believe who can sit all night. It's totally different, I don't know. But this thing is something, which will blow your mind out. This thing is a dynamite. You think? I'll just take you through it. Let's go by one. This is my dad's car. This is around. This is basically Kia Cerato 2008 model. He's trying to put a PC inside the car from past few months or something. He had seen this video. Some guy in. Okay, let's go. As you can see, the music is going on. It's connected with the radio right now, and this is the. I don't know. He has fit some TVs in the headsets. Headrest is the TV, and this is the PC. I can't believe this. This is a PC. Let me see what's written. I guess it's a Raspberry or something. Works brilliant. It's connected. I guess it's connected with the battery right now. Thank God Dad is not here right now. Remote there, remote. अंदर आओ. I guess it's controlled by this. Oh, I'm sorry. I've forwarded it. Yep. करो सीना जोरी तुम्हें होना हो मंजूर फिर दिल की चोरी है मेरा क्या लेडीज मैं हूँ आदत से मजबूर क्या करूँ ओ लेडीज मैं हूँ आदत से मजबूर. It works brilliant. It's like just normal TV. आदत से मजबूर हुजूर मैं हूँ आदत से मजबूर हुजूर. This is the list, I guess. Oh, it's working. It's loading right now. Woo! It has two things. I just think she's the wall. And the base. This is the thing what I was talking about. It's a small freaking PC. Now let's try out something else. Let's try out something else. Let's see what he has in his. Oh, he has cartoons, movies. Let's try out cartoon. Well, I'm old enough, but then let's try out. Oh, Tom and Jerry. Okay. Oh, it works great. Is it coming fine?
You are a bad, naughty little baby, running away from your mama like that. Now you come right out of here, or I will get my hairbrush and I will spank you right on your little diaper. Nancy, like I always say, it ain't your work, it's a worry. Now you get right back in your little bed. Now it's time for your dinner, and here it is. Now, I am going downtown and buy me a new girdle, and you stay right in your little bed.
Okay, seeing a lot of cartoons right now. Let's check out some movies. Which movie you like?
Any.
Choose it. English? Okay, John Carter. Let's go for John Carter. Okay. Come on in. Playing pretty well till now.
The red planet. No air, no life. But you do not know Mars. For its true name is Barsu.
Wait.
And it is not airless, nor is it dead. But it is dying. The city of Sodanga Sodanga, the predator city, moving, devouring, draining Barsu of energy. Only the great city of Helium dared resist, stood strong, matched Sodanga airship for airship, holding fast for 1,000 years. Until one day the ruler of Sodanga became cornered in a sandstorm. And everything changed.
I must tell this thing is freaking awesome. Can you believe this? It's in a car. The feeling which you get in your house, it's just right in there. I don't know, you guys can feel it or not, but then I'm just blown away. Dad, you're a genius. This thing can be a revolution. This can lead you many places. It can just change the technological world right now. I'll be making so many things. I'll be playing much. I'll be trying, experimenting. I'll sit with you. I'll try to know what all things are there. Just let you guys know just give me a feedback, as this is my first video on YouTube, or I will be posting it on Facebook also. Just give a feedback. But